In the previous video, we talked about using photos and videos, but today, we're focusing on one of the most practical tools inside Canva, frames. Specifically, we'll cover the three main types you need to know as a beginner: basic frames, device frames, and mockups. And if you stay until the end, I'll also share how to access our totally free Canva crash course so you can keep learning more after this. Let's start by setting up your design. Head over to canva.com and log in to your account. On the left-hand panel, click on Create. Then choose Presentation so we can clearly see how everything works on a slide. Once your blank canvas opens, click on Elements on the left side. First, let's talk about basic frames. Inside the Elements panel, scroll down to the Frames category. This is where you'll find both basic and device frames. Basic frames include simple shapes like squares, circles, rectangles, letters, numbers, and creative cutouts. Click on a square frame and it will appear on your slide. Then go to Photos and drag any image directly into the frame. It will snap perfectly inside. Basic frames are best used for clean layouts and structured designs. They are perfect for profile images, team slides, collages, and social media graphics. They help you control cropping while keeping everything aligned and consistent. Now let's move on to device frames. Device frames are also found inside the Frames category in the Elements section. Scroll through and you'll see frames shaped like phones, laptops, tablets, and desktop screens. These are best used when you want to showcase digital work. For example, if you designed a website, an app screen, a YouTube thumbnail, or an Instagram post, placing it inside a phone or laptop frame makes it look realistic instead of flat. You use them the same way as basic frames. Drag your image or design into the screen area and it will automatically fit inside. Now let's talk about mockups. Mockups are not inside the frames category. They have their own separate mockups category in the Elements panel. Click on Mockups and you'll find ready-made product scenes like book covers, packaging, t-shirts, business cards, and more. These are designed to make your work look like it exists in the real world. Mockups are best used for branding presentations, product previews, and portfolio slides. If you created a logo, book cover, or merchandise design, placing it inside a mockup helps your audience visualize the final product clearly. To use any of these, simply click or drag them onto your canvas. Insert your image or design, resize as needed, and adjust positioning using the top toolbar. If you find this video helpful so far, please consider subscribing to help YouTube algorithm show my video to other people who want to learn Canva in the easiest way. And as promised, if you want to access our totally free Canva crash course, just check out the pinned comment down below. And that's it. You now understand the difference between basic frames, device frames, and mockups, where to find them inside the Elements section, and what each one is best used for. Once you start choosing the right type for the right purpose, your designs will instantly look more professional and intentional. Let us know in the comments if you have any suggested topics you want us to cover, and I'll see you on our next video.